I'm working on a couple car projects this weekend, and one of the things I'm doing is I'm installing this new ATI SFI approved flex plate onto my motor, which will be going into my car soon. One of the things I need to do in order to make sure that this is installed correctly is I need to torque these bolts down to like 85 foot-pounds. That's the measurement that ATI gave me. So in order to get a nice accurate torque reading, when I'm tightening everything down, I need to make sure that the flex plate isn't turning and throwing off my readings. So I needed to come up with a way to lock the flex plate into position while I'm torquing the bolts down. So this is what I came up with. This is something that I made just out of some scrap material I had laying around. This is 1-inch angle iron that I made this out of. It's nothing fancy. It's just 2 pieces MIG welded together. This piece here is about 3 1/4 inches long. This hole from here to here is about 2 3/8 inch center from here to here. It's a 7/16 hole. This top piece is about 2 inches long. The measurements for the lengths of the pieces isn't super critical. That's just what I came up with for this application. This is a 164 tooth flywheel too, by the way. But what this is going to do, this will slip over the dowel pin on the back of the block, and then this piece will go down and it'll go down into the teeth here on the flywheel, and then that will prevent the flywheel from turning. And if for some reason, if I ever need to, kind of lock this in a position in the opposite direction, I can do the same thing by moving it over to the driver's side of the motor, and it will lock it in like that too. You can see it's not going to move. So there's probably some gadget or gizmo out on the market already that does this sort of thing. This is just something that I came up with. I was able to make out of stuff I had laying around, just using the tools that I already had. So this didn't cost me anything to make. It just cost me a couple pieces of scrap metal and a little bit of time. So I just wanted to show you guys what I came up with, show you how I made it and that, and then you can make your own if you need one. So, all right, cool. Thanks. So I'll show you up close. You can see how this fits in here. Slip it over the dowel pin like that. Put this end down, engage it into one of the teeth on the flex plate or flywheel, whatever you're using it on. And you can see there, you can see I'm trying to turn the motor and it's not going anywhere. Just so I give you an up close picture of it.